Imagine a tech company. They make smartphones. Every year they need new features. The pressure is on. Designers and engineers work tirelessly. They face a challenge. How can they innovate faster? This company discovers meta learning. It changes everything. They build system, and it doesn't just learn, it learns how to learn. And this system analyzes past successes, it identifies patterns, it suggests new design paths. The results are amazing. The company releases its most innovative phone yet. Meta learning unlocked their potential. It can do the same for you. Think of an athlete. To win, they need to be in peak condition. This is their optimal state. Learning systems need this too. We call it learning state optimization. Imagine a language learning app. It uses meta learning. It tracks your progress. It identifies what helps you learn best. Maybe it's flashcards. Maybe it's listening exercises. The app adapts. It focuses on your optimal learning state. This means faster learning. It means better results. Learning state optimization unlocks efficiency. It helps systems learn at their very best. Humans have metacognition. We think about our thinking. This helps us learn and solve problems. Now machines can do this too. We call them metacognitive networks. Imagine a financial firm. They use algorithms for trading. These algorithms are good, but they can be better. The firm implements metacognitive networks. These networks analyze the algorithm's decisions. They identify biases. They suggest improvements. The result, more profitable trades, fewer losses. Metacognitive networks bring us closer to truly intelligent machines, machines that learn and adapt like us. Quantum physics is strange and powerful. It explores the smallest particles in the universe. We can use these principles for learning. We call it quantum learning fields. Imagine a manufacturing plant. They need to improve their robots. The robots must adapt to new tasks quickly. They implement quantum learning fields. These fields allow for faster learning. They help robots generalize knowledge. The results are revolutionary. The robots learn new tasks in a fraction of the time. Productivity skyrockets. Quantum learning fields open doors to unprecedented learning speeds and capabilities. Section 5, Managing Learning Entropy, Keeping Knowledge Organized. Entropy is chaos. In learning systems, it means disorganized information. This slows down learning. We need to manage learning entropy. Imagine a school. They have a vast digital library. Students struggle to find the information they need. The school implements learning entropy management. This system organizes information. It connects related concepts. It makes learning smoother. Students learn faster. They retain more. Managing learning entropy is essential. It turns information into knowledge. Section 6, Biodigital Learning Adaptation, Merging with the Machine. Our brains are incredible. They adapt and learn throughout our lives. What if machines could do the same? Biodigital learning adaptation makes this possible. Imagine a tech company. They develop brain-computer interfaces. They use biodigital learning adaptation. The interface adapts to the user's brain. It customizes the learning experience. This unlocks incredible potential. Users can learn new skills faster than ever before. We are on the verge of merging our minds with machines. This will redefine what it means to learn. Section 7, Unified Learning Intelligence, the dawn of a new era. We've explored different aspects of meta-learning. Now imagine combining them. This is unified learning intelligence. Imagine a consulting firm. They use unified learning intelligence. They have a system. It optimizes its own learning state. It uses metacognitive networks. It manages learning entropy. It adapts to each consultant. This system is a game changer. The firm provides better solutions. They stay ahead of the curve. Unified learning intelligence is the future of learning. It's about creating systems that are truly intelligent. Section 8, Meta Learning, the future of your organization. We've journeyed through the exciting world of meta learning. We've seen its potential in various fields. Now it's your turn. Think about your organization. How can meta learning transform your work? Can you optimize learning states? Can you use metacognitive networks? The possibilities are endless. Embrace the power of meta learning. Unlock the full potential of your organization. Step into the future of learning.